Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2021 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then undo 11 screws to take out the logic board frame with the lens. Next, take out the broken lens from the frame. Apply heat and push from the rear side to take out the broken lens. If your lens has many cracks, gently take out pieces. Next, clean the surface and place the new camera lens glass with the adhesive. Next, secure the board frame with the lens by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.